All right, we are going to do the 7-6 notes, and I promise the next couple lessons are going to be shorter than the last one. So let's do some combining like terms. Let's say I have example 1. 3x squared plus 5 minus 7x squared plus 12, and I want to simplify that. Well, my like terms are 3x squared and a minus 7x squared. So that gives me negative 4x squared. And I can combine the constants together. 5 and 12 gives me 17. That's all you got to do. All right, let's try something like this. Let's say I have 5a cubed. Now I have parentheses, so pay attention to that. Plus 3a squared minus 6a plus 12a squared plus 7a cubed minus 10a. Guess what? It's still the same. I'm going to collect the terms that have the same degree and put them together. So 5a cubed and 7a cubed gives me 12a cubed. Then I have 3a squared and 12a squared, which gives me 15a squared. Then I have a minus 6a and a minus 10a, which gives me minus 16a. And that's it. That's all you got to do. All right. Let's talk about subtracting polynomials. So let's say I have something that looks like this. A to the fourth plus 2a in one parentheses minus, now I'm going to start a new parentheses, 3a to the fourth minus 3a plus 1. You have to be very careful on these ones. Did you hear me? You have to be very careful because this minus sign, this guy right here, means that we are subtracting every single term in the parentheses after it. Okay, so I'm going to do is I'm going to change all of the signs of these. So I still have a to the fourth and 2a from the first parentheses, but I'm going to have minus 3a to the fourth. And then what happens when you subtract a negative? Minus a negative 3a becomes plus 3a. And then I have minus 1. That's the tricky part. Now we can just combine them together like we were doing before. So I have my a to the fourth terms that I can put together. 1 minus 3 gives me negative 2a to the fourth. Then I have 2a plus 3a, which gives me 5a. Nothing to go with this minus 1, so we just write it there. Let's try one more like that. Let's say I have 11z cubed minus 2z, and that's all in parentheses, minus, new parentheses, z cubed minus 5. So again, remember that this minus goes to everything in the parentheses after it. So I'm going to have 11z cubed minus z cubed, which gives me 10z cubed, a negative 2z. I have no terms to go with that. Here, I'm not going to write minus 5 because I'm doing minus a negative 5. That's actually going to make it a plus 5. All right, I told you this one was going to be shorter. That's all I got for you. Check Google Classroom to see which problems you need to do out of the 7-6 book or lesson.